Hello everyone, this is Tracy with a market update on crude oil, and at the end of this market update I'm going to be giving you information about a special event taking place this week, which is an open house for our candlechartsacademy.com website. Now with crude oil, crude has been trading in a lateral range over about the past week after peaking at $52 a barrel. The lateral range appears to be in response to what became a heavily overbought condition in reaction to the strong rally we had from that September low. Now what happens from here could be important for crude in the weeks ahead. A breakdown from this lateral range could set the tone for further weakness heading into the holiday season, while a break above this lateral range would likely set the stage for higher prices, and we'll take a look at the weekly chart, which suggests we could see that happen. And what happens with crude is important in the coming weeks, as I stated, heading into the holidays, because the price of crude translates into the price of goods, particularly gasoline, and a rise in the price of gas is going to put a dent in all of our pocketbooks, impacting our budgeting for the holidays. So let's take a look at crude. As I stated, support is down around the lower edge of this lateral range, which will take you down to about the $49.60 a barrel level. The contract did come within striking distance of that area today, but did rebound and settle off the lows. However, if sellers do step back in and we get a drop below about $49.60, your next downside target becomes just shy of the $49 a barrel level at that peak that was formed in September. However, below 49, there really is not any chart-based support until about the $45 a barrel level. So on a drop below these two nearby support levels, crude could be looking at a move back into the mid-40s. That would be a positive sign as far as our holiday budgeting is concerned. However, on a breakout above resistance, right around the $52 a barrel level, the target becomes just shy of $53 a barrel, which was tested with these highs formed back in June. On a break above about 53, your next upside target comes in at the June peak, which would take you up to about 54.75. Now taking a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we do have what appears to be an inverse head and shoulders pattern. We had a left shoulder formed back in 2015, August, September 2015. The head of the pattern was formed at the low in February, and then the right shoulder was formed back just last August. I've drawn a neckline of the pattern, and 3 weeks ago this neckline was broken to the upside, suggesting that the pattern has been confirmed. We are seeing some signs of hesitation, however, upon the breakout of that pattern with spinning tops. So we need to see what happens with crude. If this breakout can be sustained, the upside target derived by measuring the height of the pattern from the head up to the neckline and projecting that from the breakout point takes you up to about $75 a barrel. So we're going to be watching crude very closely, given that the holidays are coming upon us. Thanksgiving's just a month away, to see what transpires and if an increase in crude oil is going to translate into an increase in the price of other goods such as gasoline. Now, I noted I was going to be giving you some information at the end of this market update, and that is on an open house we will be having Wednesday at 2 p.m. for our Candle Charts Academy website. This is where you can go to further the next steps in your education on candlesticks, whether you trade stocks, forex, options, or commodities. You will find resources at candlechartsacademy.com to further your education. In order to sign up for this special event, as I said, on Wednesday, October 26th at 2 p.m. Eastern, it's going to be a live webcast presented by our president, Paul Siegel. Just copy and paste this link into your browser and go ahead and sign up using the GoToWebinar link, and you will be welcomed into this the room for the webcast for this live event, Wednesday, October 26th at 2 p.m. For an open house for Candle Charts Academy. Again, it is full of educational resources to help you with your candlestick education, whether you trade stocks, forex, options, commodities. You will find resources in candlechartsacademy.com that will help you in your education and to help you become a better trader. Thank you very much for joining me, and we hope to see you back next time with our next special market update.